So welcome back, friend. So today we will learn about basic of the slides. So for slide, you have to go to the new slide section and you have to press that, and here you can see the new slide is coming. If you want to press more, then one more slide is coming. If you want to delete this, then select this and press delete button, and it will delete your slide. So as you can see, the if you click on new slide, then there is a downside arrow. You have to click on that. Yeah. Other themes of the slide. It is the office of the themes of the slide. You can see the title slide, title plus content, selection header. Okay, this is type selection header. It content to picture and add a title. Okay, it is blank slide. Which slide you want, you can go with that. Okay, let's we want with two content. Okay, add your title. So I am adding title basic of slide. Okay, and you can insert picture with this. Okay, so let's try one picture. Yeah. Okay, so this is the, let's try one another picture. Yeah, so this is how you can add the picture to the slide. So if you want to remove this, then select this and delete button. You can select, you can hold this slide and you can move where you want to. Like I am moving this to the first place. Yep. So this is also you can click on the mouse. It is red line is coming, so you can click on the mouse, and then you can, like I am clicking on this mouse, red line comes now, then go to the new slide and new slide is appear here. You can also select the layout of the slide from this button. Okay, like I am selecting this slide for now. I want to go to the design section. Okay, go to the drop down menu and I want to design this slide. As my cursor is going up to the any slide, it will changes the look. So which you prefer the look, you can go with that. Okay, so I am going with this. So as you select one theme, it will go to the one design, it will go to the every slide automatically. And go to the home tab. Yeah, so I think this is all about, you have to know about the slide. And remember the thing, you have to go to the new slide and go to the drop down menu and select which type of layout you want for the slide. You can select, there is many more layout, you can select which one is preferred for your title. I am going to tell you how we can manage our slide. So you have to go to the view tab, and here you can see the view menu. This is the normal view, this is the outline view. What is the written text in your slide, like in slide number 1, in slide number 2, in slide number 3. So you can manage the text directly from here. This is slide sorter. So here you can see the preview of your slide. You can arrange this, the order, or you can change easily order of the if you want to your slide. You can select the notes page from here. Okay, you can type here like over story. Okay, there is also a reading view in which you can so in reading view you can see there in left sorry, in right corner there is a previous and next slide, so you can go to the next slide and see what is, you can read your slides from there. To exit, you have to press the normal view. So this is how. Now go to the normal view. If you want to the add notes to the any slide, like I'm selecting the slide number 4 and adding notes to the slide number 4, then click on notes. There is the, you can make bigger for the space for notes, and you can write here is like about and whatever you write. So this is how you can, yeah. So this is all about managing the slide. I hope you like it. Thank you.